Jody at Joudel J, thank you so much for hopping on today. Today we are going to be covering a much requested topic, and that is facial massage. What is facial massage, you ask? Well, it's the best kept secret that I've heard of, and I've been using it for a couple of years now, and I have to say the results are phenomenal. It is lymphatic drainage from your face and neck that gives you a beautiful and lifted look to your face. Everybody wants elevated cheekbones, tight jaws, raised eyebrows, and a lovely long neck. And I'm here to tell you that it can be achieved, and it is absolutely free. It just takes practice, a little bit of consistency, and just pure patience. So we're going to get started, and we're going to get right into it, and I'm going to show you the technique and what I use. So for this, I would use an oil of any kind. I'm going to say that my preference is not mineral oil. Aromatherapy oil is best, natural. Today I'm going to be using jojoba oil, or I even have one that it is pure Amazon cacao. Right here I've got a Dior Glow Youth Capture Serum. All of these are my favorites, and I rotate between them over and over, and I'm gonna say this is what I would use myself. So let's get right into it. I'm going to be putting about half a teaspoon into my hand, rubbing it through, and just putting it onto the face, getting into the labial creases, forehead, right here, neck, all the way down, because our massage is going to go on. It is preferable to take your jewelry off. I don't take my necklace off ever, so I'm just going to be working with that right now. Okay, so let's get into the massage. So I'm going to be starting right here and feeling my collarbones, and I'm going to be going into the little groove and just pressing on it about 20 times. At times, you can actually feel a little bit of fluid at the back of your throat just from doing this small movement. The first couple of times I felt it, I thought something was wrong, but it's part of the process of drainage. So right here, just pressing down, getting up into the neck area. It starts from the bottom, moving to the top. It looks like this from the side. When you get used to this movement, you can actually go and extend it down the back of your neck. So it looks a little bit like this. It feels so relieving as well. It's just such a lovely way to start the day or end the day. So guys, this area right here is my favorite, because I don't know about you, but I love a good jaw definition. So for this, we're going to think about our thumbs being at the bottom, like this, and then you move on to a motion that chisels your jaw. I change it up sometimes, and even go and I do mini circles, always keeping my thumb at the bottom of my jawline. When you get to the corners of the ears, you can actually feel the vibration. It is just so good, and I stay here for just a couple of seconds. I like closing my eyes, it just feels so amazing. So it's going to carry on right here. And I'm going to be taking the same fingers and just going the nasal labial creases. So I put my fingers down here, and I just go underneath and all the way up to the temples. Just so beautiful. And up to the temples. Around the nose, I go in very circular motions. As we age, we get a lot of lines around the nose and around the mouth. So I go back down. It even helps with plumping the lips. Who doesn't want lovely plump lips? I'm pretty sure that's what we pay for these days. Okay, so let's see. So around the mouth, nose, and always going up. When I get to this area around the nose, I basically go in this motion. Up here between the eyes and out. So again, between the nose, between the eyes and out. So it's a lovely hourglass formation. So here, in here, and out. And I actually extend it into my hairline. So here, in and out. It just feels very, very relieving to get it into the hairline. I don't like to forget about that. When I get up to here, I just want to concentrate on my eyebrows because we hold a lot of tension on the upper eyebrow. So I'm just pressing on here, going in lovely circular motions, and then out. Circular motions, and then out. Okay. After this is done, when you've worked yourself from your neck to your jaw, to your nose and your mouth, the cheeks, to the forehead and out, I like to bring it back down in a circular motion back to my neck. And we start right here again. So you can repeat this 2 or 3 times. I just wanted to show you the technique and the method that I use, but I want to also end right here by just tapping down 20 times, just pulsing, just to feel the movement. You will be in love with it. It not only increases blood flow, enhances collagen, it is just so therapeutic and just so lovely. I hope that you enjoyed this video on facial massage and you're going to incorporate it into your daily life because it will be an absolute game changer. Until next time, I have a lot more tips and tricks available.